That
dog is itchy.
Go.
He's itchy. Let's run. Puppy. Run.
You, you found Simba? I'm coming. I'm not bending. Is he tied?
No.
Because he's gonna chase you. He can still hear you.
Oh yeah. No. Forget Simba. Just ignore her.
Simba is a guy.
Huh?
He's a dude.
How did you know?
I'm not telling you.
Are you a cow human or something? Huh? Get it? Boo. Do not throw rocks at something what's big. Like on a tree. That could be a wasp or bee's hive or some ducks that can fly. Because ants can fly. You ready? And I'm not talking about different colors ones. Talking about the colors of them with wings.
What are you talking about?
Ants
Ants?
with wings I'm talking about.
Ants with wings?
Yes, them have that in Jamaica. And don't forget, go in the biome. The biome if you want.
What's in your bio?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't go in my own biome.
You didn't tell them to subscribe. Careful. Go. Did you get us lost?
No, you still know this is far.
Where's the puppy?
Oh no.
He left us. Go.
Come. I seen that. Move, move, move. Come. Hold on. Mine is wide. Mine is wide.
Somebody rode a bike through here.
Huh?
Somebody rode a bike through here.
Yes. It was last night. At night. We see them.
You saw them?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Come on, let me go.
Down here wet.
Yeah. And now we're gonna have to take some bite.
Why did I?
Come through here. Uh-oh.
Go.
This one is slippery.
Something is down there. Like a ATV or something. I just saw something.
What?
Like a broken ATV.
A broken ATV.
Mm-hmm. See it over there.
Where?
Over there. Go. Did we reach our destination?
Our destination.
Mm-hmm.
Destination. Range. Proper road.
Yep. You got a viewer.
Who?
You got a viewer. Say hi to your viewer.
Hi. Hi, viewer. Yes. Rock and roll. Be careful back there. Careful. Jungle biome. Okay, this one is slippery.
Go.
Prefer to walk here.
Just walk on the hard parts.
The hard parts.
Mhm.
And I don't know which one is the hardest part.
Look at the dirt. The dry part then.
Never pretty sure. Oh, I found a shoe.
That's a baby's shoe.
Yeah, and I think there's babies down here. Creepy killer babies. Come over hit this side. This one we have do jungle biomes. Jungle biomes. Okay, now I'm gonna get lost.
I have no idea what you're saying.
Jungle biomes, I said. Wait, there's some pretty flowers right here.
Yeah.
Do you want to grow those, Dash?
No,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
those are wild.
Huh?
Those are wild flowers.
Ow.
They grow anywhere.
They grow.
It's enough for this pear, apple. I think this is apple.
Follow
Apple
me.
trees. Go.
Do your hands so.
Why?
Arms so.
Why?
Get bowings. Duh. Wait. Oh.
Careful. Down here is some mucky this middle that run from.
Okay, now we are going to have to be kids.
You're gonna.
Slide.
No, let me. Hey, don't push me, dude. I don't think I'm walking back through here.
Yeah, me too.
You good? We can't let you go?
No,
Hey, puppy.
one yet can jump up on
Something that's slippery. The bamboo.
the bamboo.
The bamboo leaves.
The bamboo leaves.
Mm-hmm. Is that your father? Okay, and now we have reached
Your destination.
civilization. You good?
No, I don't feel so good.
What's wrong with you?
I feel like I'm gonna throw up from this walking. It's slurping. Move, move, down, puppy, down. Walk up, puppy. I feel like they go slide going in that bush.
Just be careful. Take your time.
Walk up.
I think I'm gonna take taxi go back up, you know. Cause like me can't manage this uphill business.
Boy, mine is slide.
Alright.
Yes, we go slide.
We have reached our destination.